So hey guys, welcome to Appalachia's Homestead. Patara with you today. I'm out doing what I love to do, taking care of my family and ancestors, and I love to take care of graves. It's very sentimental, and the whole reason we are here is because I am going to be trying a new product today. I've seen this on a lot of sites for military graves, and it's supposed to work really, really well. You can use it for other applications like siding and housing and different things like that. But I got this wet and forget outdoor, and we are in between rainstorms. So I thought this would be a good day to try it out. So when you read the directions, it says to do it on a mild, kind of cool day. You want it to be rather dry, and you do not want rain to be in the forecast for at least 4 to 5 hours. So it's about 72 degrees. It's really pretty. Rain is not supposed to come into the forecast until tomorrow. So we're gonna try this out and see how it works. Okay, so this is my grandmother, Emma, and you've seen this many times. Oh, there it is. Okay, come on. There's her corn bead. I try to keep just a couple of corn beads on here at each time. Oh, that's a snail shell. But I keep her, try to keep her with flowers, and I try to keep her with corn beads. And I'm gonna be adding more as soon as we see how this cleaning application works out. So we just took the top off. It's a spray bottle. They have different ones online. You can get larger ones, you can get different, but I wanted to try something very easy and very basic, and just a spray on to see how well it works. Okay, so I put these flowers on here, and I want to take them off and redo them and then replace them. And I like to add red ribbons and red. Red is our color. Red is our signature color. Okay, pop it off. Is it going? It is going. The struggle is real. Okay, here we go. So I'm literally just gonna saturate it and let nature do its course. You want the rain to work with it, you want the sun to work with it, and you may have to do another application in a month. It does tell you, depending on what you're doing, you may have to help it out a little bit, but I don't think we're gonna have to in this situation, hopefully. So let's just get busy. Start from the top. It says to fully saturate it. I'll give it a minute, let me kind of walk away. It smells like just a cleaning product. Okay, that was easy. Now I'm going to do the next grave, which is her husband, which is my third great-grandfather, Temple, and he was one of the founding members in Cloyd's Creek Historic Church in Greenback, Tennessee. If you in Greenback area, it's actually Blount County, so pretty awesome. So I'm gonna clean his grave next, and then I've got one more after that. Okay, so we've sprayed on Mama Emma. We've sprayed on Papa Temple. I have 2 unknown graves next to them, which is then next to their youngest son, right here. And he was the youngest brother of all of the children. He was the youngest brother of my great-great-grandfather. And he grew up in the Greenback, Loudon area. He moved to West Knoxville, deep West Knoxville, not far from here, and was working at the rock quarry at Keller Bend, and was hit in the head and was killed. So we know that. We don't have really any pictures of him, but we do have pictures of his children. And if you want to see something incredible, I'll link it up here. His son is an unbelievable, uncanny, exact Gabriel of mine. Gabriel has a very unique look, and he really genetically has taken after the look of this side of my family. It's really awesome to see people that are in your lineup of family members, even if it's an uncle or a cousin or somebody that's long and lost, and suddenly you can see you or your children. So that is who we are seeing with this brother. It's his children. And what is so sad to me is he died at the age of 29 years old. His mother was living with him and helping take care of him and continued to help raise his orphaned children until she passed in 1934. But this family and this group of family members, as we know, was very tight-knit, are all still pretty much buried together. We're buried together, stuck together through thick and thin. So that's pretty much that. So here's the deal. So I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna give it a couple of days. I'm really hopeful that it works. It's much easier. I've been taking a lot of, because you're gonna spend money on scrub brushes and bleach and baking soda, and then you gotta carry water and do all this stuff. If you can find something that is around, not much more expensive, and it really works, then to me, this is something that you need to focus on, because without these people and their stories and everything that they lived through, we wouldn't be who we are today. So we're gonna see how it looks. Hopefully good. Bring back more corn beads and beautiful flowers, and we'll keep you updated. Get to know your ancestors, get to know your people, claim your roots. It's who you are. We'll see you on the next video.